So, have you ever heard the saying, you can't make an omelet without breaking eggs? It's like when you want to make something really yummy like an omelet, you have to crack open some eggs first. It means that sometimes you have to do something not so fun in order to get something good in the end. For example, let's say you want to build a really cool Lego spaceship. You have to take apart some of your other Lego creations to get the pieces you need. It's like breaking eggs to make an omelet. Or maybe you want to learn how to ride a bike. You might fall down a few times and get some scrapes and bruises, but eventually you'll be able to ride like a pro. It's all part of the process, just like breaking eggs to make an omelet. So remember, sometimes you have to do things that are a little tough or messy in order to achieve something great. Just like making an omelet.